Change payment information for HP Instant Ink. This video shows how to change the payment information on your HP Instant Ink account, such as changing to a different payment method or updating the expiration date of your existing payment card. Depending on the device you are using or whether you have a new or existing account, the images shown in this video may differ slightly from your specific display. On a computer or mobile device, open the HP Smart app and select the HP Instant Ink tile. The status section will show an overview of your HP Instant Ink plan for the selected printer. If you have multiple printers enrolled, make sure the printer for which you wish to change the payment information is selected. In the Account Details section, you will see your current plan displayed. Select Change Billing Information. The payment information screen displays the details of your existing payment method. To add a new payment method or make changes to the information in the existing payment method, select Change Payment Method. This will remove the existing billing information from your account and replace it with the new details. Enter your payment details. Note: if you wish to update any information in your existing payment method, such as the payment card expiration date, you will still need to re-enter the complete payment information. Your payment information is now updated. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages, and search our channel to find official HP support videos.